Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about Playwright CLI commands. Playwright is a powerful automation testing tool used for testing modern web applications across different browsers like Chrome, Firefox and Safari. Instead of doing everything manually, Playwright provides CLI command line interface commands that helps testers quickly create projects, run tests, generate reports, and debug issues directly from the terminal. In this video, I will show you most useful Playwright CLI commands and explain how they make instead faster and easier for developers and QA engineers. So let's begin. This is the introduction. Playwright is a powerful automation tool for testing modern web applications. In this video, we will learn most useful Playwright CLI commands. Installation and setup. This is the command npm init playwright @latest. This is for initialize a Playwright project. By using this command, you can initialize a Playwright project. And if you want to install browsers, so this is the command npx playwright install. You can install browsers by using this command. You just need to enter npx playwright install in a terminal and you can install browsers. Running test. By using terminal, by using a CLI command, you can run all the tests. If you enter npx playwright test, it will execute all the test cases. But if you want to run a specific test file, suppose you want to run only a login test case, so you need to enter command npx playwright test. Test is a folder, and inside this test folder we have a one file which is example.spec.ts. So if you enter this command in a terminal, so only specific test case will be executed which is inside this file. Headed and debug mode. What is a headed mode? If you enter this command, so run test with browser UI npx playwright test dash headed, run test with browser UI. But if you want to debug a test in a playwright, so you need to enter command npx playwright test dash debug. Debug is used for investigating why the test case failed. So you need to enter this command for debug. Playwright support parallel execution. If you want to run the multiple test cases at a time, so you enter this command npx playwright test and then define the workers. So test cases will be executed at a time. It helps reduce execution and time for large test suite. In Playwright, you can generate a report in a HTML Allure report. This is the format. You can generate report in HTML and Allure. If you want to open HTML report after executing test cases, so enter command npx playwright show report. It will open the report in HTML format. And this is the command npx playwright test dash reporter html. So it will generate report in a HTML. And if you want to generate a report in Allure format, so enter this command npx playwright test reporter and then is equal to Allure. So report will be generated in Allure format. You can also take and screenshot of trace. So if you want to record a screenshot or you want to record a video, so in a playwright you can easily generate trace. By generating the trace, this is a command npx playwright test and on. In the configuration file, you can also enable this trace on or off, and you can also trace in a zip format if you want to view the trace in a zip. So open trace viewer. By default, you can generate a screenshot in a playwright. One an important option also available in a playwright, you can generate your test script by using npx playwright code gen. So you do not need to write the script manually. So just generate a code by using npx playwright code gen. It will generate a code for you. You just need to enter the script in your project. Playwright also supports API testing. You can perform the API testing in a Playwright. And if you want to run your API test, enter command npx playwright test. Test is a folder. Inside this test folder, a file exists which is api test.spec.ts. It will run API test. And if you want to execute API testing project, this is the command npx playwright test, and then project is equal to API. It will execute API testing project. This is the CI/CD commands. It is for run shared one of three. And if you want to stop a test case after 5 maximum failures, so you can also stop your test case if the 5 test case failures. You just need to enter command npx playwright test and maximum failures is equal to 5. You can change here for R5, and you can also clear cache in a playwright by using this command npx playwright clear cache. The benefits of playwright CLI commands: faster workflow. You can run test, install browsers, and create projects by using these commands. CLI commands can easily be directly integrated by CI/CD pipelines like GitHub Actions or Jenkins. Easy project setup, because with one command, Playwright can create a complete testing project with example, test, and configuration. By using this CLI commands, you can quickly debugging commands like debug mode help identify issues quickly during test execution. You can also perform cross-browser testing by using a CLI commands. It help you to run test on multiple browsers from the terminal. So that's a quick introduction to Playwright CLI commands and why they are so useful for automation testing. If you are learning Playwright or software testing, mastering these CLI commands will make your testing workflows much faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.